Ladies and gentlemen, crypto is going absolutely insane right now. Something massive just happened in politics, and it is right now, 5:30 a.m., and I do not want to see any single comment ask me what I'm doing up at this hour. Japan is an interesting place, but we keep our secrets here. So I'm not going to take many of your minutes because I definitely do not have that many minutes to spare here. But long story short, Biden just dropped out. Pretty instantly, the Bitcoin price crashed. I think it went down like $1,000 or even $2,000. But right now, is pumping quite nicely. And I wanted to make a video that said 48-hour deadline or some stupid like that. I'll probably get to it tomorrow. And that's because right now, we've only got a few hours left until the Ethereum ETFs get here. I've seen on Twitter a lot of comments saying, well, the ETFs aren't such a big deal. People are overhyping it. And many people claim to have regretted buying Ethereum. Throw it all aside. Bitcoin right now is still king until the ETFs are here, and they've proven to actually get good inflows. But it seems the shift towards Ethereum has started to happen. But regardless of all of that, two other crazy announcements were dropped. One is that Donald Trump was considering BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, who is absolutely extremely bullish on cryptocurrencies, as Treasury Secretary. And so that on its own, I definitely think is worth some consideration, because if he gets made chair, just crazy. I mean, I wanted to cover quickly just how crazy the inflows for the ETFs have been, but obviously it was Sunday just now, so nothing too crazy has happened in the near past. Let me quickly show you though. One is we just hit $68,000 per Bitcoin. Second of all, you can see here, the Bitcoin price went to almost 68,000. Then Biden said that he's dropping out. The Bitcoin price dropped to 65 point something. And right then, quickly afterwards, the price shot back up. Actually, let me quickly confirm this. But one of my bots, funny enough, I made a whole video about it a little bit ago. But one of my bots just actually triggered profit on this leg up. So it was able to buy as the prices came down, which is kind of funny about my bot strategy. But then again, that's just one part of everything. Man, because I'm telling you, today has been a really crazy day when it comes to crypto. So Dog had this to say. He said, Bitcoin probably runs going into Monday, US hours, if this doesn't local top. Leaning towards continued uptrend without a meaningful dip often happens at the beginning of a large rally. And many of us right now are of the idea that this is where the rally really starts to go. And I've said it many times, I still can't fathom anything else. Again, I'm personally always realistic by saying, man, we can come down ever so slightly before pushing up higher. But I think I'm also being realistic when I say that you can look at the case studies, we are going up and up and up and up. And there might be some dips in the road, but we're going up. And I think that right now, Elon Musk has also done something, maybe two things, that are, on the one hand, is going to trigger a lot of people because he's clearly choosing Trump's side. I mean, he's given Trump, what, like $50 million a week or something, or a month? I don't know exactly, like $45 million a week maybe. So that's also a pretty big thing. But he just changed his Twitter profile picture. Many people in the comment section will say, Dusty, that means nothing. On the one hand, these laser eyes are really for the Bitcoiners, which obviously might explain why the price is doing so well. On an opposite side, it might be because of the whole Trump situation and him just trying to be in the center of all the attention again. It's definitely possible here. Then again, though, all the coins right now are doing pretty freaking well as of this point. But Ethereum has been lacking. It's not been doing too crazy. Oh, yeah, you can see here, 68,000. Zach says, I'm so bullish right now, I'm shaking. Just overall, all of a sudden, the narrative has flipped so freaking bullish again. Michael Saylor saying laser eyes are back in style. Apparently, Joe Biden endorsed Kamala Harris as the Democratic nominee for the 2024 presidential election. Interesting to say the least. Interesting to say the absolute least. And again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not here to speculate on who is going to win the election and how that's all going to fade and work. No, for the most part, I'm just here to report to you guys how the cryptos are doing in lieu of all this crazy news and all this crazy shenanigans. I mean, right now, let's just quickly take a little bit of a look at a refreshed coin market cap. As Bitcoin sits above 68,000, the rest of the coins are at the top have not been moving too crazy. Dogecoin is up ever so slightly. Over the past 24 hours, though, my core, which again is one of my biggest holdings, is up a good amount. I think it will still do a lot better, though. But overall, actually not too crazy of a pump. Some coins have been going down, but also nothing too crazy. Just for fun, let's see the second page. Just quickly check this out. Mu here is doing really, really well. Actually, pretty crazy how it's going right now. Wow, it's doing some crazy pumps. And the worst here is Curve. So again, yeah, I'd say Mu and Track, which I don't hold, are doing some massive numbers. The rest here is also pretty much neutral. And I guess for the most part, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to escape here to make some of the crazier moves. And probably once we get above that $72,000-ish mark, if it can happen in this run up, things are going to move really quickly, really mad because of all the massive short liquidations. I wonder how some of those Trump meme coins are doing though. I'm expecting some of them to really be in a good position right now. Matter of fact, I think it's time for another meme coin video like later today because as I said, it's pretty crazy, man. It's honestly so crazy. But I just wanted to quickly bring you all the news about Trump and about how the crypto market made a little dump and pump because of it. And that right now things are going to get way crazier as the ETFs roll in about 48 hours or something like that. I want you guys to pay close attention to everything crypto over the next 48 hours because probably, as right now it's Monday, I'm expecting some massive moves, some massive hits. And obviously, if the ETFs, because of Biden dropping out, whatever, get some crazy volume here going again, we can see another massive day in terms of ETF inflows today, which will also pump the price. We'll see. But today is going to be pretty crazy, most likely. So get ready, because for me, it's already definitely a little bit into Monday, and I'll see you guys in a few hours.